The ADR extension identifies an Opera bookmarks file storing saved web pages and folder hierarchies for quick browser access. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you recover or sync your bookmarks effectively. Heads up on the final step, we will reveal why investing in one exceptional ADR file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. ADR files are Opera's legacy bookmark format, storing URLs, titles, and folder hierarchies in a plain text XML-like structure. Though older Opera versions use this format, modern Opera uses JSON-based bookmarks, but ADR files remain vital for preserving user shortcuts. Opera ADR bookmarks follow a simple key value structure, where bookmark tags contain URL attributes and folder tags contain nested bookmarks. The format is human-readable plain text but lacks advanced metadata like last visit timestamps or favicons. The preferred application for managing the ADR file is Opera from Opera Software. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full content inspection relies on dedicated tools. Windows shows shortcut icons and info, but nothing opens unless the target still exists. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your ADR file and choose Open With. Test Opera first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If the ADR file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. This particular ADR file is causing errors because it's so specialized. We need to check these 3 key details right now to rule out simple mistakes. First, locating the file. On Windows, navigate to APPDATA Opera Profile to find your bookmarks.adr file. On macOS, check Library, Application. Support Opera for the bookmarks.adr file. Make a backup copy before making any modifications to the file. Next, importing into modern browsers. Rename the ADR file to bookmarks.html and import it via Chrome or Firefox's built-in bookmark manager under Import Bookmarks. You may need to manually clean up the file structure if the import does not recognize all folder entries correctly. Finally, backup and sync. Use Opera's built-in sync feature to back up bookmarks to the cloud, or copy the ADR file to a cloud drive for safekeeping. Use Opera's Export Bookmarks feature to convert to HTML format for cross-browser compatibility and long-term preservation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.